Developing tonight, just a few hours ago, a Florida federal judge ruled secret Jeffrey Epstein grand jury testimony can be released.
This is the federal grand jury that first investigated Epstein starting back in 2006, but there was no indictment due to a non-prosecution agreement. Our investigative reporter Terry Parker has been reporting on this case since it began. And Terry, this comes after President Trump signed that bipartisan law that orders the release of the Epstein files.
Right. What happened? District Judge Rodney Smith here in Florida says that new Epstein transparency law overrides the federal rule prohibiting the release of grand jury testimony. The FBI was investigating Jeffrey Epstein at the same time the Palm Beach County State Attorney's Office was in 2006. Federal prosecutors convened a grand jury to hear evidence that Epstein was abusing dozens of teenage girls, and the judge has ordered the release of the transcripts of those proceedings. How much will we learn?
You're just going to see the transcript of the grand jury proceedings, which are normally secret. You're going to see the witness testimony. You'll see some names redacted of victims, but you'll see who testified before the grand jury, likely FBI agents, and you'll get to hear what they had to say. Former Palm Beach County State Attorney Dave Ehrenberg says the grand jury evidence will likely not include names of any Epstein clients. That's not going to be in these grand jury records. These grand jury records are about the prosecutions of Ghislaine Maxwell and Jeffrey Epstein. At the same time of the federal investigation, Epstein's lawyers were pressuring the government. And in 2008, then U.S. Attorney Alex Acosta signed off on a non-prosecution agreement and turned the case back over to the state. The feds dropped their investigation. Palm Beach County reached a plea deal with Epstein, only 2 misdemeanors, and sentencing him to 13 months in jail and requiring he register as a sex offender. Ehrenberg says while the federal transcripts won't include a so-called client list, they will shed light on how strong the case was against Epstein. So you'll get to see the weight of the evidence. Where this could be embarrassing is if you see a very strong case for very serious charges here at the federal level, only to be followed by a non-prosecution agreement that purposely kept victims in the dark. The Palm Beach County State Grand Jury transcripts were released by a new state law last year, and from them we learned that prosecutors called only 2 teenage victims, and they criticized their lifestyles and choices. So these new transcripts will show us how much evidence the federal government had against Epstein before abandoning their case. The DOJ is also requesting grand jury testimony in New York from Epstein and Ghislaine Maxwell's prosecutions there, and this new ruling here in Florida may open the doors for those. Terry Parker, WPBF 25 News.